These old plastics on this 1989 TZR Yamaha 125 look faded, chalky, and just no longer black, more dark grey. I tried just about everything to bring them back, from sanding to polishing and restorers. But what actually worked was some weird chemical reaction between a trim restorer and a paint thinners. Here's how I got on. Please excuse the slight buzzing noise in the background. It's actually my diesel garage heater, and you can see videos on the pros and cons of the ones that I tried. But let's get back. Like most other older bikes, these plastics have gone grey and patchy. Cleaning alone didn't do much to the overall look. So I decided to go through the usual restoration suspects and see if anything could bring the colour back. First I started sanding with 220, then 400, 800 and up to 1500 grit, just to get a smooth base. Then I tried Farécla G3 regular grade paste compound. It brought a bit of a shine, but not much depth. Next, BRAYT R1 Regeneration Trim Restorer. Got a nice colour, but for some reason it had gone off, as it's a little old and is even no longer in its original container. So after applying, it stayed tacky. I broke out a little mini polisher, which helped, but still not great. Then Autosol, Mr. Sheen, and even the so-called crystal repair agent for plastics off Amazon. Each one helped a bit, but none looked right. So I went back to basics. Proper sanding again through the grades, smooth and even. Then a full polish with the mini sander using the Farécla G3. Once the surface looked clean, I coated it with the BRAYT R1 again. And here's where things got interesting. After letting it set a bit, I wiped it back off using all-purpose paint thinners. It seemed to level the surface somehow, almost like it melted the R1 residue into the plastic grain. I repeated the process using a light coat of R1, wiping back again with the thinners, and 2 coats of the crystal repair agent for plastic. And that combination, the R1, the thinners, and the crystal agent, gave a deep, even finish and actually gave a good, like new plastic look. I can't tell exactly what the chemical reaction was, but whatever it was, it worked. The colour came back properly. Not only that, a fake sheen you sometimes get, it's smooth and satin and durable. Even under bright light, it doesn't have the streaks and smears. For 30 years plastics, it takes that. So after trying half the garage shelf, the winner turned out to be sanding, then the G3 polish, then the BRAYT R1, plus the paint thinners and 2 coats of the crystal repair agent from Amazon. Well, it was a bit of kind of messing with different products, a lot of patience, and the results turned out better than I expected. If you've tried out your own methods to bring back plastics, let me know in the comments. I'd love to test a few more. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. Maybe you can subscribe, it helps the channel out. Cheers for watching, and see you in the next one. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.